क्लास 10 चैप्टर नंबर 1 रियल नंबर. There is a circular path around a sport field. So one can take 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point, the same time, and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? They will meet again at the time is equal to LCM of 18 and 12. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 36. After 36 minutes, they will meet again. Question number 2, exercise 1.3. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Solution: suppose that root 5 is a rational number. So we write the form of the P upon Q. Cross multiplying Q root 5 is equal to PK. Now squaring both sides. 5Q square is equal to P square. P square is divisible by 5 and P also divisible by 5. P is equal to 5C. Then we get 5Q square is equal to 25C square. कौन क्वांटिटी को बाहर निकाल देते हैं तो यू विल गेट Q square is equal to 5C square. This means Q square is divisible by 5 and Q also divisible by 5. 5 as a common both P and Q. This contraction the fact that P and Q are co-prime. So our assumption is wrong. Hence, root 5 is an irrational number. Question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Solution: suppose that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. So we write in the form of the P upon Q. Some integral. Transfer 3 on the right hand side, 2 root 5 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. Taking LCM, we get P minus 3Q upon Q, or you can say P minus 3Q upon 2Q. So P minus 3Q upon 2Q is a rational number. So root 5 also rational. But our assumption is wrong, because root 5 is an irrational number. Hence 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Actually performing a long division, state whether the following irrational number will have terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal repeating decimal expansion. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट पढ़ लेते हैं. If the denominator is the form of 2 to the power m 5 per n, then the fraction is divisible or terminating decimal expansion. First part 13 upon 3 1 to 5. Now we take the denominator and factorize. 5 से 30, 5 to the 10, 5 to 25, 5 to the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to 25, 5 to the 10, 5 to 25, 5 to 25. Then we get 13 upon 2 to the power 0, 5 per 5. You will also know that any number power 0 become 1. 2 की पावर 0 is equal to 1. So yes, terminating decimal expansion. 64 upon 455. Now we take 455 factor. 5 minus 45, 4 by 5. 7 into 7, 7 3 21. B will get 64 upon 5 into 7 into 30. Not terminating, non-terminating decimal expansion. Question number next, fifth part, 29 upon 343. Now we factorize 343. 7 4 जा 28, 7 9 जा 63, 7 7 जा 49. B will get 29 7 की पावर 3, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. 1/29 की पावर 2 की पावर 2, 7 की पावर 7 की पावर 5 इंटू 5 पावर 7. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. नाइन पार्ट 35 on 50. 50 is equal to 2 to the 4 to 5 10, 5 for 25. 35 upon 2 into 5 power 2. Terminating decimal expansion. Question number 10 part 77 upon 210. First we simplify 77 7 3 11 upon 30. B will get 30, 2 into 3 into 5, 11 upon 2 into 3 into 5, non-terminating decimal expansion. Three plus 2 root 5 upon 7 is an irrational number. Solution. Suppose that 3 plus 2 root 5 and 7 is a rational. Then we write in the form of the P upon Q, where P and Q are some integer. So we write 2 root 5 and 7 is equal to P upon Q minus 3. 3 को हमने लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड को ट्रांसफर कर दिया. 2 root 5 and 7 is equal to LCM ले लिया P minus 3Q. Now we separate root 5. Root 5 is equal to 7 bracket P minus 3Q upon 2Q. Or we can write 7P minus 21Q upon 2Q. So 7P minus 21Q upon 2Q is a rational. So root 5 also rational. But our assumption is wrong. So we conclude, hence 3 plus 2 root 5 and 7 is an irrational number. Student, to solve the sum problems, HW 2 plus 3 root 7 is an irrational number. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number.